How do we relax our face at the end of the day? When we come home tired, don't know what to do, and our head feels like it's spinning. Well, it's very easy. Notice that there's a trident that needs to be worked on. The neck, jaw, and eyes, okay? Okay? But also the entire head area, which is what controls everything. Okay, first, how are we going to do it? We're simply going to run our hand over it and relax the muscles, but we'll do it in a, let's say, special way, okay? I won't do it like this, okay? But instead, I'm going to take this part and place it here first, okay? This part right here. I'm going to start with this part. I'm going to start going down. I'll also follow the bone. I'm following the bone, the bone, the bone. Here, I'm going to go back up, pulling a little bit. I'm also going to let it drop down along the facial oval, okay? The whole bone. And there I'm going to let my fingers drop, okay? To work on the lymphatic system a little. I repeat on the other side. Here we are. Come over here on this side. I bring. I let it drop. I let myself go along the bone. I let it fall. I enter almost through the lines here. I take my fingers with me. And I pull. I showed you this so you could see how it is, but the speed should be something like this. Look, this is the collarbone, okay? How many times? Well, approximately 1 minute. Approximately 1 minute, okay? You can do it for 10 to 15 times, depending, okay? But it would be like this. Okay, perfect. That would be the first one. Second exercise, which is also very important, okay? Pinch the whole area here, the masseter muscle too. This whole part here, okay? Let's say where the cheek is, okay? So I'm going to stand here so you can see me a bit. First, we stretch a little here with 2 fingers. It's important, a 2-finger pinch. And then I go towards the ear. And here. I'm pulling. Okay. And I always finish as it is here, almost under the lobe. Okay, second exercise, sorry. Next, it's a bit harder to do, perhaps because we are pinching the temples, okay? Okay. And we are pulling like a massage towards the hair. Okay. So I start here, go here, and now I put my fingers in, okay? Well, fingers in this case would be here, okay? And I'm going to do the hair. I mean, that is to say, I start here, pulling here. And as if I wanted to take all the things from the day off my head, let's say, here. I pull out. And to finish, it's a head massage. It will be in 3 parts. We'll do it quickly, just so you see how we do it. Look, first we would position ourselves, okay? More or less in front of the ear, and here, here. We would do this, okay? First, you know it's up and down, okay? Easy, right? Well, we are going to do front, back, here, and here, without moving the head. I don't have to do this, okay? I have to do this with my fingers. Look, there. And once I have it, I stay here for a few seconds, 30 little seconds. Then I go to the middle one. Okay. There. Notice how the forehead part moves. Here. And to finish, okay, I would do it, but on the back part. So I come here almost to the neck, okay? Gathering, let's say, the neck a little bit. Without bringing my fingers together here, without touching, let them stay here and there. I pull front and back as if resting, okay? Also for 30 seconds, okay? An exercise that really feels phenomenal. So those are all the exercises to liven up the face a bit and relax it after a long, intense day. And as always, toward healing and beyond. See you in the next one.